Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today it's Sunday and time for a shave. Forgot to tell you, I needed to wet my face. Alright, today's shave soap is going to be a shave cream. This is Derby, and this is a very long tube. This is a lemon scented shave cream, which is kind of, the label is not really lined up with this. So anyway, I bought that on Scamazon, I think, Amazon, a few years back. It was like $2.99 or $3.99. It's got a nice, pleasant lemon scent. And I'm going to be using Stirling's Electric Sheep. Now, this is a lemon and a citronella scent, and I have the extra added menthol in it. I love menthol. And today's razor is going to be this Yaqi. Most people say Yaqi. And this, I believe this was called the Red Demon or Red Devil, something along those lines. And I have it loaded up with the Gillette 7 o'clock Yellow. And today's cream or soap, whatever you want to call it, I already have it lathered up in this Captain's Choice copper bowl. And the soap in the bowl, I mean, it's a nice, pleasant scent. It's not very strong at all. And I'm going to be using this Semouge Boar brush. I believe this is the 830. Can't remember. It was another Amazon buy long ago. And I just figured I would go for a simple, kind of a lower cost shave, cheap shave, just for fun. I've been kind of going through some of the stuff that I've purchased in the past and stuff that I haven't used in a while. And I thought, you know what, I'm going to break it out. Just, you know, give it a spin, see how it goes. The cream had no problems lathering up. I used probably, I don't know, maybe a nickel or a dime size in the bowl. And it didn't take a whole lot of water because it's already kind of in a cream consistency. The soap being denser takes a little bit more. I think I used somewhere around 7 milliliters of water. I'm going to warm my bowl up here. I didn't wait around for the hot water. So it's the water's kind of cool. Pass number 1 with the green, Matthew. Come on now, get it together. This actually has quite a bit of residual slickness to it. I used to love this razor. It does give you a pretty close shave. I know a lot of people, when they see the dual open comb, they get a little bit nervous, but I feel like they just shave a little bit better. It allows the shave cream to stay on a little bit longer before the blade strikes. With like the solid bars, I feel like it squeegees that soap away a little bit earlier. Can you hear the sound of this razor? It has a very unique sound to it. I feel like part of that is because the head is like a cast aluminum or zinc alloy. And then you've got this rigid steel handle. Every razor has its own sound, I know that. All right, let's get lathered up for pass number 2. Here's what the lather looks like. I don't even know if you can get this shave cream anymore. Comment below and let me know, have you used the Derby shave cream in a tube? If so, what was your results? I know it takes a little bit of adjustment going from like the big, dense badger knot on the trotters versus this. It's very, I don't know what you call it, loose. And if you're doing that, it gives you that puffy feeling, and it can make a mess. But all in all, I really enjoy that brush. It's a very inexpensive brush, and the quality is very decent, and I recommend it. I think if you look back at my like 2-hour video I did for new wet shavers, I mentioned that brush in there. And I still stand with that opinion on that brush. The lather in the bowl, in the rinse bowl, is quite thick. It's not dissipating at all. Which is nice to see. I'm not sure what that stuff's made of. A lot of stearic acid and glycerin. Have you ever tried to read upside down? Nothing really new in my world, nothing exciting to talk about anyway. So hope you don't mind a little bit more of a silent shave. Got some stuff I got to try to get done today before the lights go out or the sun goes down. I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water. I'll be right back. Oh yeah. Knocked it down nicely. All right. Do a little shake here. Make sure my menthol crystals are dissolved and shook up. Now, this isn't purely a menthol scent, or menthol. It's not purely a lemon scent. I do believe there is some, what do you call that? Other stuff. Citronella. There we go. I don't know why it took me a little bit to think of that. Yeah, so it's got kind of that lemongrassy, citronella, lemon scent to it. And if I remember right, I do have some of the mutton tallow from Stirling, their soap. But I think originally I bought this to kind of match the lemon scent on the Argo. But my memory may be deceiving me. All right, well, that's the shave for the day. I will see you guys on Wednesday. And look for that video coming up next. See you guys then.